up everyone? My name is Kulas and today I will be changing our kitchen cabinet handles. So stay tuned. Some of the things that you will be needing are a measuring tape, a screwdriver, and the actual handles. It will be a good thing if you will start counting the number of handles that you have or that you will be using so that you know how much you will be buying. I actually bought 30 pieces, the whole box, because I have 29 handles that I need to replace. So before you buy your handles, be sure to measure the holes in between. I will be showing you to that. I will be showing that to you now. Let's go. Go to one of your cabinet doors, open it up, and behind the handle, you'll see that there are two screws that are holding the actual handle. What you'll want to do is, using your tape measure the distance in between the two screws, center to center. Ours is 3.75 inches. When you try looking up what handles you can use, typically it comes in standard sizes like 3.75 inches, you also have 4 inches, you have 5 inches, and a lot more. So be sure that whatever you are ordering or buying has the correct measurement for your handle. Once you know the distance between the two holes for your handles, you can now look it up online or go to a hardware store, ensuring that the distance is the same with what you have. Otherwise, you might have to return it. If you are purchasing online, what you'll want to do is to launch your browser, go to amazon.ca or any of your favorite hardware stores website, and search cabinet handles and input the size of the measurement that you got from the center to center hole of your handles. So ours is 3.75 inches. As you can see, you'll receive a lot of results and you can choose whatever design that you want. This is the one that we bought. I'll be putting the link below. Once you get a hold of the handle, it's now time to start changing the handles. Be sure to have the right screw head size for the screws that you will be using for your handle. The one that came with our handle, like this one, has a different screw head than the one that is installed on our cabinet. So be sure to have both sizes. So let's start. Still not working. This screw, you know what? Let me research what this one is. It's a screwdriver head. I was correct all this time. And the good thing is, I have a full set of screwdriver heads here. Hopefully one of them fits. Otherwise, I'm screwed. See what I did there? I'm gonna try this one. Hopefully it works. One handle down. Now typically, most of the handles will come with the screws, as I said earlier. So you can either use them if it fits the new handle, or try using the old one. So for this instance, I'm going to be using the new one. But this one uses a different screw head, so I have to change the screw head for my screwdriver. Screwdriver head, sorry, not screw head. I'm done. One good thing probably as well is for you to have a container wherein you can put the screws. What I'll probably do is to remove all hardware first and then attach the new ones. I think that'll be easier so that I don't have to switch from one head to another. Okay. There are a lot of them. It's probably a good idea to remove the contents of the drawer, but I'm too lazy to do that. Don't tell my wife. Try to use a drill to see if it works. One thing I have to do though is to lower the power of the range. Right? Probably need to so that I can better handle the screw. As usual, the last part of the project is to clean up whatever mess you have. So let's go! Okay, so after an hour I was able to finish all of them. The main problem is that the holes where the screws are in are tilted down or tilted up. So meaning it doesn't fit the holes for the new handles and probably for the old one as well. That's why it took us a while to finish everything. But it's done. We have envisioned it like this, so I really like it. Thank you for watching. Until the next DIY video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you think this is helpful. Again, this is Kulas, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.